Yeah, look off that way. Keep holding that. Yeah, I like you holding the headband like that. Yep, I love that. Chin up just a little bit. Keep holding that. And now pause, we just kind of like dribble in the circle right here. All right, sweet. All right. Bend your arm and stand closer to the wall. Look over at me. Go ahead. Look down at Kodak. Kodak. And then, if it's too much for him, look at me for some of these. Alright, I should have gotten it somewhere in there.
How you doing? My name is Tynan. This is Kodak. I'm from Chicago, Illinois originally. Been modeling for 5 years.